Alright, so after, what is it, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and today is Saturday, about 2 hours ago, we finally figured it out.
Yeah, only 2 hours.
She gave the hint, and he solved the problem.
And Selena can't get the bolt.
And, well, you know, I mean, that happens. But this thing is running, or it started, it's not running, but it started. And that's the most important thing. But now Selena's putting the flag on and Luke's learning what an end wrench is.
Oh yeah.
And
Oh.
and we got the man himself over here working hard.
Look at Uncle.
Jace, say hi. Boy, when you're 14 years old, this is coming out.
Yeah, it is.
There's Mom.
First girlfriend.
Let me try this.
It's like rusted on there.
Use,
here,
are there
here,
two?
here.
Are there
Yeah,
two?
it's not fit on the other one.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
Oh, are they two different sizes?
No,
they do.
No, there you go.
You just use this one to hold.
Twist and shout.
Let's not. I can get a brand new pair of glasses soon, but let's not.
Okay. No need to do the arms.
No, that was it.
There you go.
I don't know that this one's on. It's not spinning.
Look at that. Putting the flag on. It's all the way up there. Quad. Whatever. So, sir, how does it feel to accomplish a goal?
Well,
In a team game.
We'll find out when it's actually running. And we're going down the road with it.
Forgot the most important person.
So you hold it against a bar.
She's done pretty much nothing this whole weekend except bark and eat, sleep.
Poop.
Yeah, that too. And sleep some more and bark.
Hey, Jonathan, make it useful.
Putting the finishing touches on now. We need to be able to take it off. Remember that when we leave, you know.
Get a couple more long zip ties.
I didn't see the bucket.
I don't. Oh, they're right. Zip ties are right there.
Oh yeah, you're right. Who's that guy? I'm not about to say that. I thought about it for about a half a second, and I was like, no. Here we go. Oh, wait.
Excellent view from back here.
You better not have that video camera on.
Oh yeah, it is.
Fat bottom girl.
Really? Is that really necessary?
Hey, it's home movies. We can say whatever we want.
That's right. We don't have to worry about the censorship.
Yeah, exactly. This ain't NBC.
Yeah. Zooming in on her rib. Nice.
No, not right now.
Yeah.
I don't trust you any more than I trust him, so.
No, I would do the thing where it'd be like,
Auga! Hey, you.
that's what your job was.
I was doing it because I was here and I had them.
There's Mom. Hi, Mom.
Hello, you got my best friend.
Yeah. Yep. There he goes.
Did you find a zip tie for us?
No, he found a stick. Hey, what you throwing sticks for, boy?
Throwing dirt at mommy. Mommy started it. I guess she deserves it. Yeah. I knew that.
And we got the utmost secure battery right here. The epitome of innovation.
We love safety.
Yes.
This is the safest, the safeliest.
Yeah, this is the safeliest buggy ever.
It's huge. Absolutely huge. It's made by the best people.
There's the other one. That one's all good though. That had a minor breakdown, but it's fixed now and it's all good to go.
Watch out, bud.
Chase, are you gonna go bananas? I guess you are.
Or when they do ice
This is a transmission that's helping you shift to different gears.
Oh, so you push that down when you want to.
And remember, this is the
Yeah.
This is the brake.
Tape your eyes.
They had
Alright, don't move.
Chase, I see you over there. Wait, you trying to push it, make it go? I hate to tell you, bud, but you ain't gonna push that.
As long as you're not in the street. It's not showing keys around the vehicle. What does that do?
Chase, come here. Dance for the camera. Jace, can you dance for the camera? Yes? Then come here, dance for the camera. This will be at your senior night. Come here. Come here. Where are you going, boy? You trip and fall? I see you. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Where'd Jace go? Where did Jace go? Is he over here? Nope, he's not over there. Where did Jace go? Is he in the tent? Ah, Jessica's underwear!
Are you 24 or are you 12?
24.
12 and
Uh-oh, I hear him. Where is he? Is he in here? Nope. Where's Jace? Is he over in the bush? Let's zoom in. Nope. Where's Jace? There he is. I see him worming. Hey man, watch it. Watch it.
This one is strapped in right.
You throw a leaf, man, that ain't gonna do anything.
So this one, all you need
Touch out a throw.
slide it under.
You missed.
Do that.
Yeah.
You missed.
These ones are actually right.
No, that time you hit me. Or whatever.
So this one's way easier.
There
you go.
Chase, what are you throwing stuff for?
It's not like this is different. You just have to remember.
Finishing touches.
It's like the Chris in the ship. You put the fire extinguisher on.
Yeah.
Smash the fire extinguisher on the side of the buggy. That's how you person them.
Or be Shrek. Hit it. Catches the ship on fire. Oh boy. Have you actually seen that?
Have we?
Or have you? That's, I mean.
Anybody seen a fire accident? Yeah. I mean, I don't want to.
You don't want to be the first one?
Yeah.
What are you doing? It's gonna cut your fingers if you're not careful.
And then we'll get another one
And then when you need it, you're like, oh, that's
Yeah.
to go across. No, you just
Cut the bungee.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Yeah, you kind of have to get out to get it.
We just need it mounted right here.
Yeah, just point straight down.
Yes, if you're driving, you just pull the pin, have a string that
No,
you
just
pull
go,
the pin.
this is
and-
what you deserve. Burn.
Oh, you're okay. Yes, good girl. You're okay.
Beautiful.
All right, so there's another question. How do you put this thing in reverse? What is reverse?
Press that down.
Selena wants to know.
Oh, I want to know.
When she drives.
I don't know how to do it.
Face shots. Ooh. Hello.
Hi.
Who are you?
Why you gotta get
Up
so
the nose.
close to my face? Right in my face.
Brad, did you see this? It actually broke.
Careful,
Okay,
Jace.
this is bolt right here.
Oh.
That bolt? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I saw that coming down the
Oh,
road.
the weld came off.
Had a nice wobbly fender on that side.
Why do you keep trying to get in my face?
Cause
Here, let me take that.
you give the camera attention.
Because of my
Okay.
good looks.
That's how it goes.
Yeah, that's not a pretty sight.
Whatever. Fine. You're videoing now.
Look at my teeth.
Yeah, I
Look at
am.
all these nose hairs up
Exactly. Look. Oh yeah.
Gross. You can't even see it because it's so
here. Gross, because it's so gross you can't even see
Exactly.
it. Burned your eyeballs.
Exactly.
You gotta embrace the ugly.
Isn't that the truth? It's funny. What you doing, Jace? More
Working.
video of you.
Flat. Put your hands flat like this.
Then you just got to do it the right way, or she'll hit you right in the face. It'll just come straight down instead of straight up. Close enough. Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, she's like getting ready.
Yeah, it's like an airplane.
It's like a helicopter.
There it is.
Spinning around.
Oh, ready? One,
That's gonna hit you straight in the forehead.
ready? One, two.
Coordination.
Don't go too crazy because it will in the tree or just knowing
Yeah.
just knowing us our luck will go like this and go straight into the fire.
Also laughed at me the first time I used those. What was that? It was hamstring.
Good job. You gonna help here?
That's
Wait, go right.
You want to try it? So you have to hold it down lower. There you go.
Oh.
That one down. Thank you. Doesn't get tired of it.
No.
Here. Oh, let's see if I can do it. No. No, she's a good dog. Say good girl. No, good dog. Good dog, not bad dog. Bad dog, bad dog, bad dog.
He's got one in his head and it's bad.
Good dog, Leia.
Yeah.
Good dog. Good
Thank you. It's like funny the first time and then it gets old.
No, it's hilarious every single time.
Yeah.
So funny.
The more you say it, the funnier it gets, you know? That's how jokes work. Oh, yeah. Thank you.